Do you want to know how you can log into your Sage Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Sage Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and go to the search bar to search for Sage Payroll Login. Click on the first link or this one over here which says Sage Payroll or Sage 1. You can see that it will directly take you to the login portal. The next step is to write down your email address in this box over here and write down the password in another one. So after you write down your email address and your password, make sure to check it. And if these two matches to your account, go ahead and click login. This way, you can successfully log into your Sage Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your Sage Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.